Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our first lesson of information technology. In previous lesson we have learned about parts of a computer, and in this video we will learn switching a computer on and off. Dear students, the process of switching on the computer is called booting. To switch on a computer, follow these steps. Number 1. Switch on the power supply and the UPS. Number 2. Press the power supply button of the CPU box and switch on the monitor. Number 3. After some time, the desktop screen appears. Now you are ready to work on the system. After completing all the work, you must first shut down the computer and then switch it off. It should be done properly to avoid any damage and loss of information. To shut down the computer, follow these steps. Number 1. Save all your work and close all the programs. Number 2. Click the start button and then click shutdown. Number 3. Now switch off the monitor, the UPS and the power supply switch. So dear students, in this video we have learned about switching a computer on and off. So follow these steps while switching on and off your computer.